In this video, I am going to show you how to create bokeh effect in Snapseed. Bokeh effect or bokeh background is very popular in photo editing, but it's not possible to create a bokeh effect in mobile phones. Now, I will show you step by step how to create bokeh effect in Snapseed. You can create bokeh effect in your any photo taken with your smartphone. Let's start the video. Open your desired photo in Snapseed. First, to create the bokeh effect, we need to remove the background of the picture. For doing this, tap Tools and select Curve. On Curve tool, select Luminance and tap on the curve slider on the top left corner of the screen. Drag it down to the bottom. The picture will become completely black. Now, tap on the Edit Stack to remove the background of the photo. Tap Edit Stack, select View Edits. On the View Edits, tap on the brush icon from the middle. Now, start brushing on the background of your subject. Brush carefully on the edges. Zoom in to make it perfect. After brushing the background, invert your image to see if there is any part is left or not. If you left any part of the subject, brush it again. When you are satisfied with brushing and no part is missing, then tap the back arrow from the top left. By this way, you can remove the background of a photo. Now it's time to create the bokeh effect. To download fake bokeh, open Google app. On the search bar, type fake bokeh. Download your desired bokeh effect to use your photo. Now, let's go back to Snapseed. Tap the tool section again. Select double exposure. From your phone storage, select the bokeh effect image which we have downloaded earlier. Now adjust the image as bokeh background of your photo. When you are set, tap the check mark. Tap on the edit stack again, then tap view edits to fine-tune your image. Tap double exposure and tap the brush icon. Now remove the background image over your subject. If needed, open the tool section again to select more background bokeh. Select and adjust as you have done earlier. From View Edits menu, you can check your edits step by step which you have done till now. Tap the back arrow to go back to the main edit screen. To check your final edit, you can tap and hold anywhere to see before edit and release your finger to see the after edit of your photo. If your picture wants some more adjustment, then tap Tools. Then tap Tune Image and retouch your photo as you want. Tap and hold anywhere to see the before edit and release your finger to see the after edit of your photo. By this way, you can create bokeh effect on your photo using the Snapseed app. That was our today's video. I hope it was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and get connected with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.